Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add captions to Loom videos. So here are the steps to add captions to Loom videos. The first thing to do is to record a new video using the Loom desktop app, or if you already have a recorded video, you can upload it to your Loom account. Once recorded or uploaded, Loom will direct you to the video page where you can edit and manage your video. So let's go ahead and record the video. Now, I want to record on full screen and I don't want to show my camera and I don't want microphone on. But if you want your camera on, click on that and select your camera. If you want your microphone on, click on this and select your microphone. And once you are done, click on start recording. I didn't want my microphone to be on, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue. And then you have the three countdown timer that just shows this thing that is beautiful. And check the left corner of your screen. You can see that I am already recording. Okay, so that's all. I'm just going to click on stop. And once I click on stop, that takes me to the video page, which we have in here. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So over here, scroll the way down. So at the top corner, you can change the title. Let's say if you don't want this title to just be all bare, like Chrome 18 October 2024. What is that? So scroll down and you're gonna find what exactly we are looking for. Now you have summary and you have chapters and you have text, and of course you have your smiley emojis in here, and you have the comments with a speech bubble right next to it. So you can add comments if you want to add comment, or you want to add captions. So select that, summary or chapters. Okay, so right under summary, you can add your caption. Now express yourself. Say whatever you want to say under this caption. So under the summary, just put in whatever you want to put in. And after putting that, whatever you want to put in, you can just go ahead and click on chapters to add more chapters. And if you want to add tag, just go ahead and click on add tag to add the tag. I have no idea why my edit video option is really not displaying at the moment, or it is not available at the moment. But once you click on this, it's going to take you to the video editor itself, where you can see an option for you to enhance your comment or your caption rather. So add your caption on the summary and add chapters. And once you're done, click on edit your video in here for you to add more captions and enhance your captions if necessary. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search. Remember, once you click on edit your video, it's going to take you to the video editor page where you can now create more captions and edit the captions in there. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.